Nice, you got it.
Wow, what exactly are they? Guys, the squad is in. Where are we? Where are we?
Monaco.
You guys, the squad is in Monaco. Yeah, so travel with us to Monaco today. Say hey. We're giving the Tyra Banks smiles eyes. You guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good afternoon and good night. We are in Monaco today, going on all sorts of adventure. So travel with us and as usual enjoy today's vlog. So we are in Monaco, you guys, and of course you guys know when I say Monaco what I mean. The city of rich people and expensive stuff and yachts and boats and beaches and all the good stuff. So sis wanted to come to Monaco today, so we will be going to Ocean Aquarium, which we're here right now. So we are here, Musée Oceanographique de Monaco. Everything ocean today, and we're here. Baby's here. Babe.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Stella, say hi. Alright. I couldn't just make one line. Why we have to go around in the whoops and whoops and whoops? I'm in a maze. We're going to get our tickets, you guys. Bonjour. This is the entrance of the museum, you guys. Hello. Wow. You see Nemo? See Nemo right there? You see Nemo? You hear that?
Fish.
How you know it's fish?
Il faut pas toucher.
How do you know it's fish? A poisson? How you remember it's fish? How you remember it's fish? Fish! Oh my gosh, she said fish. Go fish. Fish. Fish, Tyler, fish. Go look at the fish. Go. Go. Wow, fish. Tyler, look here. Tyler is so excited. Wow, he says wow. This is what I saw in the beach.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh no, a big one coming to me like and it was pink.
And what am I?
Tyler, look up there. Tyler, look there. Look there. What is that? Ty, what is that? Oh, he says, wow. Fish?
So?
Wow. I've never seen any kind of fish like this long thing. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Cool. So cool. Wow. Ty, saw that one? It's a lobster.
Exciting.
Regarde le dos, on dirait, moi je trouve que c'était du sable.
Tyler, wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. You guys, you see this fish? He's right here and this one is right here. It looks like the rock. So cool. So beautiful. Tyler and his auntie is gone. And look at this one. This one is so ugly, but it's cool. Pourquoi? Pourquoi? Come. Why? Pourquoi? Whoa! Tata? Look at this one.
Je l'ai trouvé. Il est là.
Tyler, look at this octopus. Move the stroller. Look, there it is. There it is, baby. Say wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Did you know that an octopus have 3 hearts and 9 brains? That's incredible. Crazy. See? 3 hearts and 9 brains. Wow. Babe, you want 3 hearts and 9 brains?
I already have 9 brains.
You already have 9 brains?
Just one girl.
What is that?
It's just some eggy fish.
Yes. having so much fun. He's just fascinated by all the fishes. Wow, allez.
Ça doit ressembler, mais pas
The new world of seas. What is it there? Oh, so it's different from the one we saw?
Yeah.
He's so fascinated. This is the stage that I was looking forward to when he goes to zoo and things like this. You hear his expression? This boy has so much. He has so much sense. Say, wow. Guys, this museum is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at these behind you. This is what? Jellyfish. These are jellyfish, but the ones that light up. So they turn blue, purple, white. So beautiful. Thailand is aunties over here, babies there. More ugly fishes. There's some really ugly fishes though. That's where we're coming from, right? Born as female, growing old as males. He's so excited.
Comme Pinocchio.
It's a crab.
Pink spin.
Oh,
See?
yes. Pink spine lobster.
Tyler?
Tyler.
Geisha?
Geisha.
Geisha? Not Geisha?
There's a lobster here. There's a pink spine lobster with goldfish. So pretty. It's a shark tank. So pretty. Whoa, look at this one. Whoa. Octopus. Oh. Oh. Wow, look. Look at this one. Oh, look at these. These are pretty. Look at that yellow one. Right here. So pretty.
Il y a Nemo et là maintenant il y a Dory. Dory.
Ouais. Yeah. Wow, look at the yellow ones.
Bah, punaise, on voit tout. Et bien voilà.
Finding Dory.
Nez à nez avec un comme ça.
Petit requin zèbre.
Dory. C'est Dory. C'est Dory
Ah,
passing. Let me catch it.
Non, le zèbre c'est celui-là qui est par terre.
Dory.
Et bien il n'y a que des poissons comme ça là-bas.
That's Dory right here. So pretty.
Mais normalement ça mange, ça fait.
Nemo babies. Nemos and more Nemos. Baby Nemos. Ha, you passed Dory earlier. This one looked like a sad grandpa. He looked like he's aged and sad. Wow, what exactly are they? Mexican salamander. Mexican salamander. Oh my gosh. Scary. Wow, yeah. You guys, we're gonna be playing what's in the box.
So you touch and you're trying to find what is it. No, here, start here. So you put your hands. Okay, open it. Do you guess what is it?
It's a crab.
Nice. Take out your hands. Right, that's a crab. Good job.
Octopus.
Nice, you got it. Yeah. You want to do the other one?
Yes. Oh, I know what this one is.
What is it?
This one is a, yeah, it's a seahorse.
Nice.
Ah, fácil.
Starfish.
Yeah, you got it.
What's in the box ocean edition, and I got all of them right. Ha! So that was cool. So the aquarium is finished, and I think we're going to go to the museum, and then we're going to eat lunch. We're gonna eat lunch, or we're gonna eat lunch first and then go to the museum. So it's been a good day. And Tyler really enjoyed the aquarium, but I think he's tired now and he needs to take a nap. So he's in his stroller chilling. Nap.